Hello everyone, welcome to LRDIprep. My name is Samir Sardana, a Plus educator on Unacademy. You can attend my live sessions on Unacademy Plus for CAT exam preparation, and you can subscribe to Unacademy Plus using the referral code LRDISMEET. This will give you a 10% off on Unacademy Plus subscription. In this video, I will be discussing CAT 2020 Slot 1 Quant questions. 2 more questions of time, speed and distance. We have covered 11 questions till now of CAT 2020 paper morning slot. Here are the next question number 12. Again an easy basic question, not a difficult one, not a challenging question, right? Not on the level of CAT, a very easy one. Question number 12 says, leaving home at the same time Amal reaches office at 10:15 a.m. if he travels at 8 km per hour, and at 9:40 a.m. if he travels at 15 km per hour. So there are two conditions given to us, that at speed of 8 km per hour, Amal will reach the office at 10:15 a.m. And if he increases his speed to 15 km per hour, he reaches the office at 9:40 a.m. A basic question, a very simple question based on, the very basic property of time, speed and distance. You are supposed to use the proportionality concept here of time, speed and distance without equation, without using any formula. You can straight away solve this question in 2 or 3 lines. You see that the difference in the time 10:15 a.m. and 9:40 a.m. the difference is 35 minutes. This is the speed. That means the speed ratio is 8:15. In both the cases, he's going to his office. That means the distance traveled in both of these two speed is constant. So if distance is constant, students, if distance is constant, speed and time will be inversely proportional. That means whatever is a speed ratio, the inverse ratio of it will be representing the time ratio. That means if he is taking 15 minutes at this speed, he will be taking 8 minutes at this speed. And you can see that the difference in these two time is of 7 minutes. I want this difference of 7 minutes to be of 35 minutes, right? Which is 5 times of 7. That means 15 minutes into 5 will take you 75 minutes. That means, can I say that? He is taking 75 minutes to reach his office at a speed of 8 km per hour. So what will be the distance that this person is traveling to reach the office if at 8 km per hour he is taking 75 minutes? Can I say that the distance traveled is equal to 10 km? And this distance of 10 km is now supposed to be traveled in how much time? Question says if he leave the office at 9:10, at what speed he should be traveling to reach the office at 10 a.m. See that if he is leaving home at 9:10 and he want to reach the office at 10, he has how much time to reach the office? 9:10 to 10, it will be 50 minutes. So a distance of 10 km is supposed to be traveled in 50 minutes. What should be the speed? Distance of 10 km in 50 minutes. Speed is distance upon time. 50 minutes at a, right, let's convert it into hours. This will get cancelled. 60 by 5. You'll get your answer as 12, right? He need to travel at a speed of 12 km per hour to travel the distance in 50 minutes. So that's the answer. Question number 1. No need to make any equation, straight away. Proportionality concept will give you the answer in 1 or 2 lines. Question number 13. 2 persons are walking beside a railway track at respective speed of 2 and 4 km per hour in the same direction. A train came from behind them and crosses them in 90 seconds and 100 seconds. Again a question of proportionality. So question says a train can cross a person who is running at a speed of 2 km per hour in 90 seconds. And the train crosses a person who is running at a speed of 4 km per hour in 100 seconds. That's the information of the question, right? Now keep this in mind. in both of the cases, when the train is, this is a train, right? We do not know what is the length of the train, but train is crossing the man, right? In both of the cases, the distance traveled by the train is constant. If distance travel is constant, you see that the distance travel is constant. If distance is constant, we have just discussed in the previous question, speed and time will be inversely proportional. Now, when this train is crossing the man with the speed of 2 km per hour, the train is traveling the distance of the train itself, because when the train is crossing the man, the train will travel a distance equal to the length of the train. So whatever is the length of the train will be traveling that distance, right? So in this case, train speed would be v minus 2, overall speed would be v minus 2, because both of train and both of these two persons are running in the same direction. And in this particular case, speed of the train would be v minus 4. Now, speed and time are inversely proportional. So can I say that the ratio of speed will be inverse ratio of the time? So whatever is a speed ratio, the inverse ratio of time will be same as this speed ratio. So time ratio you can see is 10 ratio 9. So therefore speed ratio would be would be equal to 10 upon 9, right? Right. So here it is taking 9 and 10, right? Time ratio is 9 and 10. So therefore speed ratio will be 10 ratio 9, which will be v minus 2 upon v minus 4. Speed and time are inversely proportional to each other. Now solving this equation, solving this small equation, you will get your v, right? 9v minus 18 is equal to 10v minus 40. That means the value of v will be 22. So v is 22 km per hour. Now what I'm supposed to answer? What will be the time taken by the train to cross an electric post? Now I'm supposed to answer train will take how much time if train has to cross this electric pole. The distance traveled by the train to cross the electric pole will be same as the length of the train. So to answer this question, I need the length of the train. Okay, and we know that the speed is 22 km per hour and 22 minus 2. In the case of the person who is running at 2 km per hour, you see that the overall speed of the train is 20 km per hour. At a speed of 20 km per hour, train cover its distance in 90 seconds. Second can be 90 seconds. A kilometer per hour can be converted into meter per second by multiplying it with 5 by 18, right? 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per second. You will get to know that the length of the train is 500 meter. Now a 500 meter distance is supposed to be traveled. A 500 meter distance is supposed to be traveled at a speed of 22, because when the train is crossing the electric pole, there will be only the speed of the train that will be considered. So 500 meter at distance at a speed of 22 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour can be converted into meter per second by multiplying it with 5 by 18. So 18 will go in the numerator. This will cancel it on 100. This will cancel it on 9. This will cancel it on 11. So time taken would be 900 by 11. And we are supposed to answer the time is nearest to. So we are not supposed to find out the exact integral value. We are supposed to approximate the value. 900 by 11 is 81.8 something. So 81.8 is nearest to 82. That's the answer to the question. Again, a simple standard question of time, speed and distance, not a difficult one. You must have practiced the question like this if you have followed any standard book for CAT exam preparation. Not a difficult question at all. Okay, so to solve the question with these approaches, that means if you want to solve the questions without making equation, you can join me on Unacademy Plus in my arithmetic course. I'm starting the arithmetic course for CAT 2021 student with 1000 practice question on 3rd of February at 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. And you can join me on Unacademy Plus using my referral code LRDI, right? You can also visit my profile on Unacademy. The link of my profile is given in the description part of the video, and you can attend 500 plus special classes completely free of cost for the students who are appearing for CAT 2021. And if you are planning to go for CAT 2021, these are the CAT value offering on the Unacademy platform for CAT 2021 students. You will get a 3000 plus hours of live classes. This is more than any other institutions, right? You will not get this many live classes at any other platform, 1200 plus hours of free special classes. So these classes are completely free. In the live classes on Plus, you will find the structured courses, but in the free special classes, which are a kind of demo classes, there will be some structured classes, but whole syllabus will be completed on Plus. 55 plus new tests every month for CAT and other ambient exams, one-on-one mentorship during your preparation journey, 13,000 plus practice question, 1,000 plus live quizzes every month on Unacademy Learning app. You can also go for Iconic CAT 2021 subscription, where a personal mentor will be assigned to you to help you with your exam preparation throughout the year. All benefits of Plus are the part of Iconic CAT membership. You will be mentored by the graduates from top B schools. Take your CAT 2020 preparation to the next level with your personal coach under the Iconic CAT subscription. And again, you can go for Iconic CAT subscription using my referral LRDI Samir. Right. And these are the benefits of test series. These are the test series that we have on Unacademy for the CAT students, special classes, features. These are the educators. This is about educators, the batches, the practice sessions, right? So there are batches, foundation batches, advanced level batches, every kind of batches there on Plus. You can attend as many batches as you want on Unacademy Plus for your CAT exam preparation. There's no limitation on the number of batches that you can attend. Unlimited access to all the live classes that are happening on the platform will be given to the students preparing for CAT 2021. So join Unacademy now using this referral code. Thank you. See you in the next part of the video.